I know. Probably a gar.
Yeah, I think with the water being so muddy, it's a bunch of scent fish, man. Gar and turtle, you know?
Yeah.
So we'll go bass fishing?
Where?
Down there at the rocks.
Got off again?
No, I got him.
Oh, gar.
I thought he got off. Whoop whoop. Yay.
Watch the beard.
Oh, snaps. Yes. Treble hook didn't fail me. Look at that, I got him right in the mouth. Look at those teeth. Look at them. Chill. Look at those teeth. Stick your hand in there. Ready?
No.
Here, let me see that. Those pliers. I got it. I did get him perfectly, huh?
Heck yeah. Perfect. Lots of slimy sucker too.
Yeah, I caught a fish.
First successful catch.
Yeah. How you do it? What is it? Gar. Spotted gar. Got him.
That is a big one.
Out here making this gar video today, folks. Hey, that's that hook I gave you, huh?
Yeah.
Good one, huh?
Little circle hook.
Fish grip them.
Barely got him too, man.
But you got
Pretty fish.
Oh yeah, they're in there. Go grab them in my bag, front pocket.
Yeah, what happened to your snake?
Josh or Jeff has them.
Okay, you want to photo? Oh, 1, 2, 3. It's got the whatchamacallit in the background, but oh well. Good side, folks. Alligator gar. Oh, get him!
Oh,
Bowfin.
what is that?
No way, is it?
Oh, it's a bowfin.
Oh, it was a giant bowfin! Oh! Oh, it wasn't gone. Damn. Yeah, it was on.
I can't tell where it is though.
The bowfin, a little one. A little bowfin, Doug. Go ahead, fling him. Oh!
Bruh.
These kids, man. She's throwing that one too.
I think so. Yeah.
This one's moving, yeah. He's still in there. Got it?
Yeah. Oh, gars. Yeah, this one got off.
I actually hooked this with the J hook. Damn.
Yeah. J's are better. I like the J hooks. Got him.
He spit the hook right there, dude. It almost hooked me in the head. And then it re-hooked him in the top of the head. What the? Oh, no, it didn't. It didn't come unhooked. I was just tripping. The weight hit me.
Gars.
Stars. Dude, I just squeezed him and you could feel his bones pop.
Yeah. Whoop.
Later.
See you. Oh yeah. Definitely something on there. Yep. Oh, crappie.
Oh, it is a crappie.
Nice. Crappies. That's a nice size one too.
Man, that is a good one, dude.
Crappies. Crappies. Slabs. Slabs. Oh my goodness. That's a slab of a crappie right there. Slabs.
Man, that's good.
Where's the stringer at, man?
I know, right? I think I left it over there by the sewer plant. Is that a treble?
Yeah, but I got it though. It's good.
Man, that's a good one, dude.
Heck
I'm
yeah.
gonna take a picture of it.
Bleeding, but he'd be alright.
If it wasn't here, we could keep it.
Yeah. If it wasn't 2 poop plants.
2 poop plants and a 20.
Yeah. Boom. Another crappie.
Is it?
Yep.
Nice.
Crappie videos. Crappie chronicles. Ooh yeah. Keep that guy. Don't let him see. Crappie chronicles. Another crappie. Paper mouse. Crappie video. As soon as it hit, that crappie was like, yonk.
I'll take it.
Fresh white meat. Beautiful fish.
Pretty fish. Wherever you catch.
Don't let that guy see. That guy, he be over there keeping fish. He eats fish out of a bayou. And that's disgusting. Ugh, you eat fish out of a bayou? Gross, dog.